When parties enter a contract, they each have expectations about the benefit they'll receive from the bargain. In Carmichael versus Adirondack Bottled Gas Corporation, we explore how the implied covenant of good faith and fair dealing protects those expectations. When purchasing a petroleum gas distributorship, Philip and Janet Carmichael simultaneously entered a contract with Adirondack Bottled Gas Corporation that required Adirondack to supply the product that the Carmichaels would sell to customers. The contract contained a key man clause stating that the contract terminated automatically upon the sale of the distributorship, a change in management, or the death of Philip Carmichael. The contract also imposed certain post-termination obligations, such as the return of deposits and the transfer of business records. Several years after the contract's execution, Philip Carmichael died suddenly, triggering the contract's termination. At Philip's funeral, an Adirondack employee inquired about Janet's plans. When she stated her intent to continue operations, the employee said they would meet later to discuss. But a few days later, Adirondack instead offered to buy the distributorship at a below-value price and pressured Janet to make a quick decision. When Janet declined, Adirondack's attorney abruptly told her that Adirondack would stop supplying product the following Monday. Janet laid off her employees and sold most of the business's equipment over the weekend. On Monday morning, she provided Adirondack with a list of customers needing immediate deliveries. Adirondack's attorney was outraged that Janet had taken his statement literally and wasn't going to make deliveries. Winding down the business was a contentious affair and resulted in each party asserting various legal claims. One of Janet's claims was that Adirondack's conduct after Philip's death breached the implied covenant of good faith and fair dealing. Adirondack countered that the covenant didn't apply because the underlying contract terminated upon Philip's death. On that claim, the trial court jury found in Janet's favor. Adirondack appealed to the Vermont Supreme Court.